For homeowners looking for affordable window replacement, Chaparral Village TX. The smartest upgrade often starts with comfort, curb appeal, and monthly energy savings. Whether you need home window replacement, Chaparral Village, Texas, for an older property, or modern replacement windows, Chaparral Village, Texas Homes. Professionally installed products can reduce drafts, outside noise, and heat transfer. In Chaparral Village, Texas, 79912 and nearby West El Paso areas, replacement windows in Chaparral Village, Texas, 79912 are a practical improvement for aging homes with worn seals, cracked glass, or outdated frames. Local families often choose energy-efficient windows Chaparral Village TX to boost insulation and create a cleaner, updated appearance. Energy performance matters when choosing new windows for homes Chaparral Village, Texas, because desert heat, sun exposure, and seasonal wind can wear down older materials fast. Energy Star Window Replacement Chaparral Village TX, Low-E Window Installation Chaparral Village, Texas, and Insulated Window Installation Chaparral Village, Texas help improve indoor temperature control while supporting lower utility bills. Homeowners in Chaparral Village, Texas frequently request window replacement and insulation Chaparral Village, Texas when rooms feel too warm in summer or too cold during winter nights. With double pane window replacement Chaparral Village TX and weatherproof window replacement Chaparral Village TX, houses gain improved efficiency, stronger comfort, and more dependable long-term performance. Custom solutions are essential when homes have unique openings, specialty styles, or older construction details. Custom window replacement Chaparral Village TX and custom fit replacement windows Chaparral Village, Texas allow precise sizing for improved sealing, smoother operation, and a better finish. For homes with aging wood trim, window frame replacement Chaparral Village, Texas can restore both appearance and structural stability. A qualified window remodeling contractor Chaparral Village, Texas may also recommend window retrofit services Chaparral Village, Texas when homeowners want modern function without major structural changes. These services are especially helpful for old window replacement Chaparral Village TX in established neighborhoods throughout Chaparral Village TX. Style options give homeowners flexibility when selecting residential window installation Chaparral Village, Texas for visual impact and daily convenience. Popular choices include double-hung window replacement Chaparral Village, Texas for easy ventilation, sliding window replacement Chaparral Village, Texas for wider openings, and casement window replacement Chaparral Village, Texas for tighter seals and modern function. For homes seeking enhanced natural light, picture window installation Chaparral Village TX and bay window replacement Chaparral Village, Texas can transform living spaces with broader outdoor views. Premium vinyl windows. Chaparral Village, Texas remain a favorite because they combine durability, low maintenance, and clean aesthetics for residential properties across Chaparral Village TX and surrounding El Paso communities. When damage happens, fast service becomes the top priority for both safety and energy control. Broken window replacement Chaparral Village TX, window glass replacement Chaparral Village, Texas, and residential glass window replacement Chaparral Village, Texas can quickly restore protection after impact, cracks, seal failure, or storm debris. Many homeowners also search for same-day window glass service Chaparral Village, Texas when immediate repair or temporary securing is needed. If moisture forms between panes, window seal replacement Chaparral Village, Texas may be recommended, while more severe wear may call for full window replacement Chaparral Village TX. Prompt service helps prevent interior water damage, air leaks, and higher cooling costs. Vinyl remains one of the most requested materials for home window replacement Chaparral Village, Texas because it balances value, durability, and efficiency. Vinyl window replacement Chaparral Village, Texas is ideal for homeowners who want low maintenance and dependable thermal performance without frequent repainting or sealing. Premium vinyl windows Chaparral Village, Texas are available in a variety of colors, grid patterns, and hardware styles to complement both classic and modern homes. Combined with double pane window replacement Chaparral Village TX and low-E coatings, Vinyl windows can help improve comfort while delivering a polished, updated exterior look for houses throughout Chaparral Village TX and nearby El Paso neighborhoods. Choosing the right replacement window contractor. Chaparral Village, Texas can make the difference between a short-term fix and a lasting investment. Homeowners often search for the best window replacement company in Chaparral Village TX, top-rated window installers, and a licensed window replacement company, Chaparral Village TX, to ensure quality workmanship and dependable results. Chaparral Village, Texas window replacement specialists understand local climate demands, common home styles, and code-conscious installation practices. If you are comparing local window replacement, Chaparral Village TX, or nearby window replacement experts in Texas, look for strong customer service, product knowledge, accurate measurements, and professional installation timelines.